Hello everyone, I am Sugadev and welcome to Dev's Kitchen. So today we are going to see Capsicum Maggi. Maggi is the one everyone loves it, and people have asked me how I am making Maggi. So I thought I will post this recipe. So I am going to make Maggi today only with capsicum. This will be quite different. At the same time the taste will be very good. Please do try and let me know. Before we get into the recipe, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Come, let's quickly get into the recipe. Thank you. Let me tell you what are the requirements. I have taken 2 packs of Maggi. I mean, if you could see, there are 2 sachets in this Maggi packet, and the masalas inside that also we will use, and on top of that we will use Maggi Magic Masala. This will be 5 rupees that you will be getting in shop, and we will be using half of this. And then 1 chilli and 2 medium sized garlic cloves I have taken. Chilli and garlic we have to mince it and use. And then 1 full capsicum we have to use. As to show in the video, I have taken half red capsicum and half green capsicum. You can just normally use green capsicum if you are using at home. And 1 tablespoon of cheese I have taken, grated cheese. It's up to you. If you want to use cheese you can use, or otherwise this is optional. And 20 grams of butter I have taken, and small amount of coriander leaves I have taken. So that's all. So the pan got heated. We will add the butter in this. So now we have to add the minced garlic and the chilli. And we have to add the capsicums. So I'm just adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt to this. Keep it in high flame and fry it for 1 minute. That's enough. It's been 1 minute now. We will add required amount of water. So the water is boiling. Let's add the Maggi now. The noodles is boiled well with the water. So now let's add the masala. So we are going to add the Maggi masala packet which we bought from outside. Half of that packet we will add, as well as along with the sachet, the 2 packets, the masala packet which comes, that also we will be adding. We have mixed the masala nicely. We will add little bit of coriander on this. We have to close this with a lid. Leave it for 1 minute and it should be in the sim flame only. It's been 1 minute now. We will just switch off the stove now. We will change this into serving bowl now. We have changed it to serving bowl. We will add the grated cheese now. Our hot and yummy Maggi is ready. It's a bit different and the taste will be very good. Please do try and let me know. Thank you so much.